Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
All right, this Wednesday, the problem was 3002 minus 1905. How would you solve this problem? Go ahead and solve it any way you want and then listen in.
So 3002 minus 1905. 1905. All right, go. Can I go first?
Sure.
So I'm going to constant difference again.
Okay.
Meaning I'm going to plunk both those numbers down on a number line and think about how far apart they are, but not where they are.
Okay.
I would like to subtract a number that's delightful. And to me, 1905 is okay, but it's not as delightful as I wish. So I'm going to take that distance down to, I'm going to shift them both down 5. So the 1905 becomes 1900. And the 3002 down 5 becomes 2000. I have to think here. 97. Ha! I'm alive. I'm awake. Is that right? 96. Yes, that's 5 down. Okay, so now I end up with an equivalent problem. That's funny. Equivalent problem of 2097 subtract 1900. No, I don't like that. Look at that. Look at me waking up and not liking what I just did.
You want to change your mind? You can change your mind.
Do I get to change my mind?
Absolutely.
Well, now what am I? I got to think about what I'm. All right. I'm changing my mind. From 1905, this is thinking live, y'all, on the podcast right now. I'm going to take 1905 up to 2000.
Okay.
So that's 95. That means I have to add 3002 also plus 95. Okay. So that's 3097. So now I have the equivalent problem of 3097 subtract 2000. Yeah, I like that better. So 3097 subtract 2000 is 1097.
Yeah, I like it. I also like that sometimes you think something's friendly when you shift and it doesn't end up friendlier. So you just shift again.
Just try
right?
again.
Totally fine.
Yeah. You freed me up that one day when I thought mathematicians could instantly know the best thing to do right off the bat, and we probably do that almost too quickly here sometimes in Strat Chat. But that was real. That was me thinking, hey, I'm just gonna turn 1900 or 1905 into 1900. Sure, that's not good at all.
Yeah.
Or at least I didn't like it.
Because the whole point of constant difference is to find an equivalent problem that's nicer.
I mean, now that I think about it, 2097 minus 1900, I could still think about the distance between those numbers. That's just 1097. Duh. Like it's not bad.
It is also very real, people, that we have a microphone in our face. So
my brain caught on that one. When I thought about 2097 minus 1900, I was thinking removal, not distance. But if that distance is just 100 up to the 2000, right? And then 1000 up and then 97. Bam.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
So close. Yeah, so far. What are you going to do?
I also want to shift the distance because that's a little funky, but I actually shifted down a little bit because the 3002 just feels so close to 3000.
Okay.
So I shifted to the left to make the new problem 3000 minus 1903 on a number line. I said to the left because I shifted on a number line. So my new problem is 3000 minus 1903.
Okay.
And I also found the distance, and that just feels I have you needy for me. So
did you just say I have you needy?
Is that my new phrase?
I think so. That's hilarious. I have you needy. I like it. Like, did you just literally go from 1903 up to 2000? And that's 97?
Yeah, I think because I went 197 in my head. Like I started looking at the 1903.
Yeah.
And I went 197. I mean, 1097. Yeah.
Oh, you can see that 1000.
Yeah.
I had to see the 97 first and then the 1000.
Oh, yeah, either way.
Okay.
Cool. 1097.
Yeah, so you often will change the first number in a subtraction problem to be a nice number and then subtract. And that is not my fave. I would prefer to change the second number in the subtraction to be a nice number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people will, but you could play I Have You Need some more. All right.
Sounds good.
We can't wait to see.
So then I can be I have you needy too.
We need a shirt. I have you needy. All right, people, what are you going to do this week? Join us on Math Chat Chat. Let us know how you think about the problems and comment on each other's thinking.
Y'all, we post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central Time. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Y'all, thanks for being part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement, because math is figure-outable.